Hunter's Cottages here on Kushog Lake. Steve and his son were out for a ride on the weekend and they were following a friend. They didn't know that there was open water in the Narrows, and all of a sudden they were just in water and they didn't make it out. So we're gonna cruise over there and see if we can locate the machines from the good ice alongside of the open patch, hopefully. We got the pontoons here set up just in a single file because it's a narrow trail down to the water. And then we're gonna build the boat sled mobile down at the water, cruise out there, probably put the ROV down, have a little look around, see where the machines are, get everything located. That's fast snow. She does not turn well. We're all set up here for a search mission. We're headed out. We gotta go around the island here. We're just cruising out to see if we can locate the machines today. And then tomorrow, we're gonna bring them up. Okay, so we're gonna drill a couple exploratory holes here and see what kind we've got for ice thickness and stuff. We're gonna find the machines. So we found one machine. It's over there. And we're searching for the second machine. We haven't had any luck yet. We did find a little bit of an oil slick here in this hole. I don't know if you can see that in the camera, but right along there's a little bit of oil coming up. So current is moving this way. That tells us the machine is upstream of us here somewhere, probably fairly directly upstream. So we're just going to continue the search here. So we found a spot. I don't know if you guys can see this, but this right here, there's been something that's gone through right in this spot right here. So I think maybe it's going to be right under here, I hope. Now, Billy, can you grab that roll of wire there, please? Pretty much hook that from right there.
Yes, sir.
So we've located both machines. We've got a pretty good plan. We're going to be able to get them no problem from the thin ice here, and we're going to set up the big A-frame here and then down there, and we're just going to pick them up on the ice so we spread the load way out, drag them back to the cabin. Done for the day. We're just going to pack up our stuff, put everything on charge, and go get some dinner. Billy off, and he's going to get the little ice hut all ready to rumble. It is frosty out here today. Probably minus 12 or so. Supposed to warm up to minus 8 in a couple of hours. We're hoping to get 2 sleds out, but I suspect we're probably only going to get one. Have to come back out in the morning and get the other one. Yeah, there it is.
Oh, you can actually see it, eh?
Yeah, that's pretty good there. To tell you guys what's going on. So, yesterday we came out here, we found both sleds. There is one snowmobile right under this hole right here. And so we're going to pick it up first so that if we get any water coming up on the ice, it's on the downstream side here. And we have a dry spot to work up there still. The other machine is just up here about 50 feet. We had to do a little searching with the ROV to find it. Unfortunately, the ROV did not capture that footage. Put together the big arch here. We're using the big arch so that we can put the load back on the thicker ice here, because this ice here is only about 2 inches thick once you get past this white line here. That's new ice that just formed. This is older ice that's been here longer. So we're putting the load back here. We're going to use the big arch so we can reach out here and pick the thing up and not have the load on this thinner ice out here. So we're just getting rigged up, and we're going to get ourselves a snowmobile out of the drink here in a minute. That's going to work. Whoops. Ah, what I was hoping for. Fine.
Don't know if that's going to show up in the camera or not. Should. Yeah.
Okay, so we're just dragging the sled along the bottom here from where it was, since we got the arch set up and this hole all ready to go. Now, that's about down there. We're going to call it quits for a minute. There she comes.
You got a knife?
All right.
They don't build them like they used to, so
Yeah,
it's probably better than.
I was a little shocked that that bumper came off that Arctic Cat yesterday, or
Oh yeah.
well, day before yesterday, I guess.
Steel bumper too?
What's that?
Is it a steel bumper too?
It was metal. I wouldn't know if I'd call it steel or not.
Yeah.
All right, that went super well. Kind of exceeded all expectations, really. So we got the second machine out. It's over here. So there's the second machine. It's out. So we're just going to break all this gear here down really quickly. And we should be back into the barn there just around dark. Perfect. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you doing that. And hitting the old subscribe and like and share and all that awesomeness. We'll see you guys next time.